Hi everyone. So today let's talk about the second submodule of leave management, which is manage leave request. So once you sign in, you will directly land on the home page of IVPHUB. This submodule allows employees to view the status of their applied leaves, which could be pending, approved, or rejected. Additionally, it gives the option to cancel any leave request that's still pending or not yet reviewed by the approver. Let's go through the steps to use this feature. First, go to the leave management, then select manage leave request. Once on the screen, go to choose entries and select the specific entries you would like to view. You all now see the details of all your applied leaves with their status displayed in the status column. Here are few important points to remember. Employee can only cancel leave request marked as pending in the status column. If the approver has already viewed the request, it can no longer be deleted. To cancel a pending request, click Cancel in the action column next to the entry, and that's how you manage and, if needed, cancel your leave request.